Hello, my name is Vinisha Shetty and I'm currently studying in Advocate Balasaheb Apte College of Law, Mumbai. My topic for today is Legal Services Authorities and Justice amid COVID-19. Before we look into how these legal services authorities are providing help to the citizens, let us first understand the various types of legal services authorities. So, the legal services authorities are established under the Legal Services Authorities Act 1987, which provides for various legal services authorities, such as the National Legal Services Authority, being the central one, the State Legal Services Authority, the District Legal Services Authority, the High Court Legal Services Committee, the Supreme Court Legal Services Committee, a Taluka Legal Services Committee, and there are various legal services clinics that are established in colleges, universities, and other institutions. So, one must be wondering what is the principal objective of establishing these legal services authorities. So, the principal objective is to provide free and competent legal services to the weaker sections of the society and to maintain the justice, and no one should be denied of justice on the basis of economic and other disabilities, and to organize lok adalats for giving amicable settlement of disputes. Now, who is eligible for these services? Every person mentioned under Section 12 of the Legal Services Authorities Act 1987, such as women and children, members of Scheduled Caste and Scheduled Tribe, any person having an annual income of less than 1 lakh or as notified by the state or the central authority is eligible to entail these services. Now, what is the nature of these free legal services? So, the nature of these free legal services includes civil and criminal representation by lawyers for the weaker sections of the society. Now, these legal services may include drafting of legal documents, it may include giving advice on legal matters, or a representation of a lawyer in legal proceedings. Now, as we all know, due to pandemic and the situation around us, it's really difficult to cope and survive. Especially, it becomes more difficult for the poor and the weaker sections of the society. For the same backdrop, the Legal Services Authority have come up and are taking various initiatives to help them. Let us discuss some of the initiatives taken by them. In a PIL filed by a recognized society, Sam Utkant, in the Patna High Court, for the leprosy patients, for the condition to recognize the conditions in which they are living, and the society filed the PIL for the patients, well, for providing basic food facilities and medical facilities to the leprosy patients and their family members. The Patna High Court, on the same lines, asked the Bihar State Legal Services Authority to file a comprehensive report on the conditions of the leprosy patients and the services being provided. The state government filed a counter affidavit saying that all the services are being provided to the leprosy patient. However, the Bihar State Legal Services Authority mentioned in their report that the leprosy patients are not provided with the food and medical facilities. Besides, the water, that is the drinking water, was also not clean, resulting in stomach ache. The Delhi State Legal Services Authority has also come up with an initiative for the domestic violence victim. We all know that the domestic violence victims are now stuck with their abusers. But nevertheless, the Delhi State Legal Service Authority has come up with an initiative by collaborating with mother dairy booths, pharmacists, chemists, and by this same method, they are coming to know about the various victims of the domestic violence. Not only that, they have also launched an app called Vidik Seva to help the domestic violence victims. They have also collaborated with Anganwadi and Asha Foundation so that the domestic violence victims that they come across are also connected to the Delhi State Legal Services Authorities. The legal services authorities have also achieved significant success by getting the Supreme Court's order on releasing the under trial convicts not accused of heinous crimes on parole. Other than that, the legal services authorities are also receiving calls from migrants for shortage of food and domestic violence victims. The legal services authority, with the help of panel lawyers and the paralegal team, is reaching out in remote areas to help the citizens. Now, as we see that the legal services authority is doing a great job even in the time of COVID-19. This gives us great hope that the Legal Services Authority would continue the initiatives and help more citizens in need. If they can do this in the times of COVID-19, great success would be achieved even post-pandemic in helping the poor sections of the society. Thank you.